Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to delete data in the Firebase Realtime Database using the Firebase Blueprint Plugin for Unreal Engine. To delete data, use the Delete Data node. Then set the path to the data you want to delete using the Data Path pin. Click and hold on it, then drag on an empty spot. Search for Make Array and select it in the menu. Each element in the array represents each segment of the path. If we take a look at our data, if we want to delete user 1, the path will be users, followed by user 1. Now add the callbacks. Click and hold on the callback pins, then drag on an empty spot. Select Add Event, then add Custom Event. The onData deleted callback gets called when the data is deleted successfully. The onFailed to delete data callback gets called when an error occurs during the process. If I compile, save, and run the app, the data will be deleted. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe.